Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to our channel and thanks for logging on. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe to our channel now. And if you want to see this watch on our website, please check out thewatchbox.com. Today we're discussing the Rolex Oyster Perpetual Submariner 16610LV, sometimes known as the Anniversary, more often described as the Kermit, and you can see why. The watch sits easily on my wrist, 40mm across the round of the case, pre-super case. This one has a mid-F serial number, so early 2004 it has a CL code clasp to match. So once again, early 2004 is the vintage, and you're looking at what's described as the Mark I dial, so keep that in mind. Now the 40mm case size wears more compact than the current super case, and you can see the end profiles more tapered, a little bit more elegant. The watch measures a very wearable 47.8mm from side to side, but with the 93250 solid end link bracelet, you do have a little bit of extension, so that the true width across the wrist is 50.5mm, 12.6mm thick. It's an easy one to wear underneath the cuff, and if you look at the end links themselves, you can see that they are a 20mm spacing if you wish to accessorize this watch, and it would look absolutely fetching on an olive green NATO. Now the timepiece does feature that 93250 bracelet, so you have a little bit of what's new and a little bit of what's semi-vintage. Of course, what's new is the addition of solid end links over the previous 93150, and of course you still have the hollow center links and a little bit of the Rolex rattle. You have the beautifully executed clasp stamped CL, old style, maker's marks, all quite clear, minimally if ever refinished, and of course you have the flip lock extension system for use over a diving suit. Now the watch features a number of elements that are germane to the Submariner species, and in particular two that really set this watch apart as an anniversary. First is the bezel. It is the namesake of the watch, as this is the LV version, lunette vert, literally green bezel in French. Now if we get a little bit closer, you can see some other aspects of the watch that are standouts. The dial is larger in index and larger in lume than a conventional 16610. This is sometimes described as a maxi dial. Don't confuse it with the 5513 maxi dials of the 1970s. This is its own thing. It's actually the larger index plot system that you saw in the original Yachtmaster in the early 90s. This was its first appearance on a Submariner back in 2003 when this watch debuted as the 50th anniversary Submariner. There's going to be a lume shot at the end, so stay tuned. Now the Mark I dial aspects are rather subtle, so I'm going to try to turn the watch flush to the camera, and you'll note that the O of Rolex is extended, oblong, and oval. That's one of the hallmarks of the Mark I. You'll also note right under the R of Rolex, the R of Oyster almost perfectly splits the serif style feet of the R on both sides. And then finally, when you look down to Swiss made, you'll note how Swiss made is splayed out broadly from roughly 28 seconds to 32. So those are the hallmarks of a Mark I LV dial. Special in its way, but this is a watch that's meant to be worn. 3135 inside, chronometer grade, automatic winding, 45 to 48 hour power reserve, 300-meter water resistance. Of course, a classic unidirectional rotating dive bezel so you can easily align with the minute hand for an impromptu timer. This is a watch that is tough. Free sprung balance with a full balance bridge, Breguet overcoil hairspring for high chronometer accuracy in multiple positions that is resistant to gravity-induced timing deviation, and of course the timepiece featuring the Oyster case with a solid case back, but you'll note this one beautifully resplendent in its original factory packaging. You can see and you can purchase this LV Submariner Mark I dial on our website. Green by day, green by night, we are back with the 16610 LV. Additional features alongside the anniversary imagery. The watch has hacking seconds and a quick set date. See it and make it yours on our website.